Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge 2025 Water Wading Birds Breeding Season. Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge. Ibis Pond Rookery of mixed water birds. Great egrets are often the first species to arrive in mixed species colonies, and their presence may induce nesting among snowy egrets and anhinga. The great egrets are at various stages of the breeding season. Some are nest making, others are displaying to attract a mate, males are building a nest before having a mate, and some are incubating eggs. During the breeding season, adult snowy egrets develop long, wispy feathers on their backs, necks, and heads. They have greenish-yellow feet for most of the year, but at the height of the breeding season, their feet take on a much richer, orange-yellow hue. The bare skin on their face also changes color, from yellow to reddish. Snowy egrets nest in colonies on thick vegetation in isolated places under nesting great egrets. After pairing up, snowy egrets continue defending the immediate area around the nest, raising their crests and giving rasping calls. Males choose the display areas, where nests are later constructed. The male builds a nest platform from long sticks and twigs before pairing up with a female, and then both may collaborate to complete the nest. Great egret nesting facts. Clutch size 1 to 6 eggs. Incubation period 23 to 27 days. Nestling period 21 to 25 days. Great egret collecting sticks for its nest platform. Ibis pond rookery of mixed water birds. Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge. Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge 2025 water wading birds breeding season.